When I think of Valentine's Day, there are two things that are a must when it comes to dessert: chocolate and chocolate, of course. These chocolate balls are super light, easy to make, fun with a little bit of fancy. They're filled with fresh pineapple, kiwi, and topped with pistachio ice cream, garnished with Brazilian nuts and Godiva chocolate. Try this easy hot cocoa chocolate marshmallow on stick recipe to make Valentine gifts, or just dunk into warm milk to enjoy with your loved ones. Hello everyone, I wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day. In this video, I'll show you how to make the most easiest yet very impressive Valentine's Day dessert. So today we're making two types. We're making chocolate bowl and hot cocoa chocolate on a stick. Exciting, right? Let's get started. Once the balloon is blown up, add chips to a small glass bowl. Melt chocolate until it's nice and smooth. Let cool slightly for a minute or two. Add a tablespoon of chocolate on parchment paper and spread out into a small circle. I added about 1 or 2 tablespoons of chocolate to the parchment paper to place the chocolate covered balloon on, to give it a little stand or legs to the bowl to set it up. You dunk the bottom half of the balloon into melted chocolate, but be sure the chocolate is slightly cooled. Swirl it around and place it on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Place it gently in the freezer. Then you wait for maybe 10 minutes until the chocolate hardens. Then you can cut a small slit in the top of the balloon to slowly let the air out. What you are left with is a deflated balloon and a hard chocolate bowl shell. You can fill chocolate bowl with whatever you like. I chose to fill mine with pineapple, fresh kiwi, and then topped it with pistachio ice cream and Brazilian nuts. You can also drizzle the remaining chocolate if you wish. The options are really limitless. What I really love about these light, refreshing dessert, you don't end up feeling heavy or full after you've demolished these bowls. The gift of a warm cup of hot cocoa chocolate is hard to beat, and while it doesn't take much more than some warm milk, cacao, hot chocolate powder, and some marshmallows, there are plenty of ways to get creative with a comforting cup of hot chocolate. Melt chocolate chips in a microwave-safe bowl. Once the chocolate is melted and still in temper, pour or brush the chocolate into each silicone mold. Then place the chocolate in the freezer to harden for another 10 minutes. Be sure to allow the cups to harden in the freezer before removing from the molds. After the chocolate is chilled, remove from the mold and insert a wooden stick or a straw into the center. Top it up with additional ingredients of your choice, like cacao, hot chocolate powder, marshmallows, and some more chocolate chips. Just go all out and place it in a cup of warm milk to enjoy. So there you go, the Valentine's Day treats are ready. They are super fun to make and absolutely inexpensive. I really had fun making this hot cocoa. It's one of my favorite, and also this one is really cute, I find, with a little heart shape on it. It was so cute to make that. And just let me know in the comments down below which one you like, which one you tried. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next video, bye bye.